Here's how to apply the simple and effective solution to sore feet, the Quick Tape Foot Support Strap. Start with clean feet and hands, with no lotions, creams, or oils applied. Place the Quick Tape Foot Support Strap on a flat, hard surface with the cloth side down. Remove the liner paper from the center. Set the ball of your foot in front of the strap with your heel lifted. While centering the strap, position the leading edge behind your toe knuckles, or the metatarsal bones. Now set your heel down in center of the opening. Remove the liner paper from both foot tabs. Wrap each foot tab straight across the top of the foot, starting with the inside tab without stretching or pulling. This is the anchor, which holds the strap in place. Rub the anchor vigorously to activate the adhesive. Now lift your foot into the air. Point your toes and grab the heel tabs. With gentle tugging, pull each heel tab enough so that most of the wrinkles disappear. Keeping toes pointed, begin with the inside tab, and while gently tugging, wrap heel tabs around the back of your heel, no higher than where the shoe fits. To activate the adhesive, rub the entire foot strap vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds. Enjoy the comfort of Quick Tape while it supports your arch and helps to align your foot.